Hey guys, it's Josh here with DesignTutorials.com doing part 2 where I'm going to show you how to do a promotional code section. So let me just show you what that looks like. So I'll add one of these to the cart. And down here is promotional code section. I was trying some different codes and I'm still trying to figure that out. And if I get it working, then I'll let you guys know. So let me add a promotional code and we'll add it to the cart. I'll show you what that looks like. We're also going to adjust the cart so it ends up looking like this for you guys. So you get the discount, which is $20 off per item. You can see it on the shopping cart once you configure the view. So let me get started on doing this from my fresh install Drupal. And once we're at our new site, we actually have to come to our store, configuration, and we have to add a field to our line item types right here. So then we'll go, all I have is the product, whichever you want your promotion to be under, for whatever content type, or line item type. So manage our fields, and we're just going to add a plain text field. I'll just call it promotion. You want it to be just a plain text field, and then text is fine. And however long you want your text field to be, which 10's fine, I think, for me. And this actually decides how long the text field's going to be, so I'm just going to make it 10. Like how wide it's going to be. And that's already 10. You know, make sure you have this button checked, or it won't show up on the actual page. So we're going to save that. You don't need to manage display unless you want to move the actual title around. So once we're done with that, we need to come back to our store, configuration, and our pricing rules. And then from here, we can actually add a discount. So we'll add we're going to add a new pricing rule. I'll just call it zebra promotion. Actually, let's do snake, so we're playing snake promotion. It doesn't really need any tags unless you want to add some. And the first thing we need is a condition. So we're going to add a condition. We want to know that we're looking at an actual product. So entity has field. We want to be the just the line item. We want to know that it's a commerce product. That just lets us know that we're looking at a commerce product. And you can identify this to a specific SKU like I'm going to, or you could just leave that blank and that's fine. But we want to know that it's that this line item has a specific SKU. So we're going to do a data comparison. It's just going to be the line item, then the product, and then the SKU. So then we'll save that. And the SKU for my snake, which is snake underscore 001. And you can do it for multiple SKUs too with a comma and then another SKU. I'll do it just for the snake. So we'll save that. So now it says this isn't gonna nothing's gonna happen if it doesn't have the field of if it's not a product and it doesn't have that SKU. But now we need another condition. We want it to be entity has field. And then we just want it to be the line item again. We want it to be the actual promotion that we just made, which is right here. Then we'll save that. Then we need one more data comparison that allows us to input our actual promotional code. So data comparison. We want this to be the product, and then the promotion right here. And we'll save that. And then we want it just to be equals, and whatever the promotion that you want, I'll just do snake. I don't know, snake 15. And then I'll take $15 off it or something. So we'll save that. Alright guys, once you have these conditions set up, we're going to add an action, but this action won't happen unless it's a commerce product, has this SKU, has a promotional field, and they enter this actual promotional code into that field. Now we're going to add an action. It's going to be add an amount to the unit price. And for the value, we want it to be negative 1,500. So that's gonna take $15 off. So it'll be negative $15 without the decimal point. So you could do 15.25 if you wanted. And then you want it to come off of the discount. So we'll save that. Now this code should all work. And if you go back to your actual pricing rules, you have to make one of these per product. So if you want to just clone this, you can. We'll make one for the zebra. So then we'll save that. Now you just need to change a couple things like the actual SKU. So we'll edit the SKU. And this obviously should just be zebra. We'll save that. You need a different promotional code too, or this will be the same code. So we'll change this one. Let's make it zebra. Then now there's a promotional code for your zebra and your snake, and it's that easy. But say we can also do this a different way. So we're just gonna delete this. But I mean, you can also come in here and change the amount to like 2,500. So we'll delete that, and we're gonna multiply the unit price by an amount. So we're gonna add an action, and that's also down here in the line items. So multiply the unit price by some amount, and this is actual decimals or percents. We want this to be it's going to tell it what we want to keep of the actual base price. So we're going to do a 0.9 because we want to keep 90% of the base price. So we'll save that. Now we'll try out these different codes on my little zoo animals. So I'll come to my products, so this little page I added. And for the zebra, that's his code. So I'm going to add one to the cart. And then for the snake, I'm just going to add an extra one to the cart to show you what it actually does. So let me add one with the extra promotion in it. And then let's go view our cart. So view our cart. Alright, so once we come here to view our cart, it obviously doesn't look very good. You can see the zebra was discounted and and then this snake was discounted. So if we come up here to this little gear looking thing and click on it, let's say edit view, we can make our cart look a lot nicer. So first thing, we want to come to price. We want this to be, for the formatter, you want it to be formatted with components. And we'll apply that. We're also going to add our actual promotional code section to it. So we'll add, and then that's just this one, commerce line item promotion. And it's fine the way it all is. And then I'm just going to rearrange it. That way my total is at the end. I'm going to apply that. Then I'm going to save it. And now here's what our cart looks like now. See, and that makes a little bit more sense. So this one didn't show up, and it's probably because I didn't tell it to discount it. So we'll come back to our store. I'm going to open up in a new tab. And our configuration, pricing rules. So our zebra promotion. And down here, let's make this discount. Yeah, it's base price, so discount. So we'll save that. And we'll save this. And then we refresh this page, it should look like the snake does. Yeah, and there's how, and then there's what the zebra looks like. And then we come to checkout, you know, we still have the, this one's $20 shipping, and then 5, so it should be about $30 shipping, maybe. Oh, 20? I don't know how much I said the zebra was shipping. Maybe it's only $10 shipping. So if we come back to our store, we can view our products. We'll open that in a new tab. It's always good to work in new tabs. We'll go to our products. And our zebra was, yeah, just $10 shipping, so it's 10% of the weight. And there's how that all works, and it looks really nice when you go to checkout. And The next thing I'm going to show you guys how to do is a quantity discount as well. Alright, so I'll talk to you soon.